When we look at Bappa, we usually see a cute chubby god with modaks and his mouse, but actually Bappa's every body part has a deeper meaning to it. Bappa's big head tells us to think big. It symbolizes wisdom, strength, and the ability to remove obstacles.
Bappa's big ears not only symbolizes the size of them, but he basically just tries to tell us and teach us that try listening more and speaking less. अपने कान ज़्यादा खुले रखो और अपना मुंह बंद रखो.
Bappa's small, sharp eyes talks about focus, talks about concentration and a foresight.
Always be observant. Always keep a look around for things that are missed by most of them.
Yeah.
Bappa's trunk symbolizes strength with sensitivity. You know, that big trunk that can not only just uplift an entire tree, but also make sure to pick up that small ant with sensitivity. Well, that's balance. One more thing, वास्तु शास्त्र में जो ट्रंक होता है उसके दो अलग अलग मीनिंग होते हैं. If it's faced on the left side, it basically means calm and blessing, and if it's faced on the right side, it means powerful and direction.
Bappa's large stomach is not only for his modaks, it actually means that Bappa can digest all the good and the bad in life. Lambodara, what we call in Sanskrit, basically means that he holds the entire universe in his stomach.
How nice. His small mouth beneath the trunk, well, that just symbolizes to speak less. Like I said before, be more observant and speak less. Try to speak things that only matter. ज़्यादा मुंह खोलने को हम लोग को आदत वैसे भी होनी नहीं चाहिए.
Bappa's four hands, each of them carry a quality. One is for the modak, one is to bless his devotees, one is with the axe, which kind of talks about that cutting attachments, cutting the wrong people from your life is sometimes needed. And one carries the rope to pull us closer and to keep us closer to the ground reality.
Ganpati's Vahan is called Munshika. He was actually a demon that was subdued by Lord Ganesha.
Yeah.
Munshika basically means our desires. What Bappa tries to say is that when he is riding the Munshika, he asks us to ride and control our desires so they don't start controlling us. So while we bid goodbye to Bappa, let's all remember that when he comes home for 10 days or even one day, he reminds us how close we are to God in reality. So, Ganpati Bappa
Moria.